want to say hi to the camera? We're troubleshooting right now. We're trying to set up and trying to see if we could get this going quickly. We're probably gonna have to grab lunch after a couple runs. Thank you.
Oh, I keep forgetting. I keep expecting Canadian levels of safety.
Yeah, no, they don't have that. There's a lot of people learning how to snowboard today. Well, we finally made it here.
Welcome to Mount Holly.
Mount Holly again. We didn't make it all the way up to Bohemia yet. We still don't know if we're gonna go there, but this winter has been rather unusual. But we finally got some snow today. This morning it was like 7 under, but now it's 0 degrees when we get here. So I think we're expecting some pretty good quality snow. They've been making snow for a long time.
Yep,
You could feel it when you step on it. It's very powdery.
That's nice. It's also, the cold helps.
Cold definitely helps for sure.
It doesn't help my nose though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cover your nose. But
First time testing out his new snow fence. First time testing out my new goggles.
yeah. Oh yeah, you got new goggles. I think they look fantastic. Is it comfortable?
Oh, it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable. It's not squeezing the sides of your
Not at
glasses.
all. Yeah, it's over the glasses. It's really nice.
Over the glasses. Yeah, just like a quick follow-up with that, you know, just updating whoever sees this video. My brother wears his glasses under the goggles, and he's been on the lookout for good goggles that will fit his glasses. Even though a lot of goggles advertise they can go right over your glasses, they don't really conform to the curvature of the glass. So
yeah, the frame is always different.
The frame is always different, so he had to try it on in person. And for those of you out there who needs to get goggles like those, try them on in person. Don't just believe what they say.
This is nice though.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta get ready. Just go straight down, just a warm up. I don't even know if I remember how to snowboard anymore. Yeah.
How you feeling?
Feeling rusty. I'm out of shape. Oh, we started moving.
Oh, no.
No, we're still.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna take a nap. Y'all wake me up when this starts moving.
Alright. Just let him sleep.
Oh yeah, I like this. 1 foot at a time.
No, it's like we go up a couple inches and we go back about a foot.
Oh.
Yeah. Next time we get on this lift, we need to bring a sandwich.
Weighing it down.
We need to bring the ingredients for a sandwich. We'll have enough time to make it, eat it, and clean up.
We need yeast, we need flour.
Oh, we're gonna bake the bread.
Yeah, we gotta bake the bread here.
Oh, where are you gonna find the heat?
Passion. Oh my gosh. How long would you say? That was about half an hour?
Well, how do we get all those over there?
Through there. Yeah. It's hard to see. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're gonna have some footage of snow.
Yeah.
How's my lens?
The lens is fine. Foggy. I like this lift because you get to go through a little patch of trees, a small forest. I have a reverse problem. Most people have problems with leaning too far back in their skis and boots. In order to have a good control, you want to lean towards the direction you're traveling. But I've gotten in the habit of leaning too far forward, and then not giving enough pressure on the side, the backside, where I really need to apply the pressure once I shift weight. And so what ends up happening is I make a really tight turn and then I end up spinning out because there's not enough weight in the back to really stop it. And so one of the things I'm working on is making tight turns, but doing so in a way that I time my weight, the shifting of my weight very efficiently and effectively, so that when I need to, I can shift my whole weight on the back of my on the back legs to give it some extra support, so get a cleaner cut, cleaner carve, and that way it's and that'll come useful when it comes to like really uneven terrains, or if I have to navigate in between trees and glades, which I really want to be better at. So
Back left or all the way back around?
left
once?
Left once, and then let's go have some food.
Okay.
I'm
Don't go too
hungry.
hungry for too long.
Yeah, starting to feel the chills a bit.
That's no good. Right behind you.
Now we are headed out.
Ja.
Oh boy. Look at us. What are we doing?
This lad ate a large slice of pizza, 2 cheeseburgers, an entire fries, and a bottle of Gatorade.
Yeah, I'll be thirsty in a bit.
Oh boy. And a power button?
Yeah.
It feels frozen. It's not as squishy. My spleen is cramping.
You didn't drink enough during the whole session.
No, I didn't.
Well, we had fun, and now we're headed home. Thank you for tuning in this video. Look forward to much more to come.